2014, and I just making this short video again to show the people the real Toba eruption. Alright, what caused the Toba eruption? Okay, this is a picture of the weather. Oh, I don't know, what day was it? It was this 2014 September 15th, and this was in China. Here's India right here. Okay, Indonesia right here, right down here. Okay, see this pattern? This is a pattern that matches perfectly the lunar South Pole. Now this picture of the weather is pretty close to the right size. It might be just a little tiny bit too big. It doesn't make any difference. It doesn't make any difference. But this is the true creator of the Toba eruption, or whatever it was that happened there in this area of the Earth that they say that practically killed off everything. Okay, now check it out. This is the lunar South Pole backwards underneath it, right here, backwards, flipped over, because if the moon were to hit the Earth, it's like a rubber stamp. You have to make it backwards. You have to flip it around. Okay, this is the lunar South Pole right here. This is Schrodinger, the creator of hurricanes and cyclones and typhoons. Absolutely, this is a typhoon right here, and it is absolutely caused by that print that's on the Earth, or the moon's doing it from space. But this side of the moon does not face the Earth, so I am assuming that this is a print that was left on the Earth, which is the reason why there was a massive eruption. And this is not the only print on the Earth. Every weather pattern over the Earth is a lunar surface print. It is a print from the lunar surface. Every big print, every big crater on the moon, Aitken Basin, Mare Oriental Basin, Mare Imbrium, Moscovians, Smithii, all of them, Chrysium, all of them. So there you go. There is your Toba eruption right there. I mean, this is their pictures. This is straight from Google Moon. This is straight from Wonder Maps, whatever. It's the satellite image. They have changed the format of the satellite images since then. It's harder to see this now. They don't show this pattern very well anymore because they're hiding it. But this is one that I caught before they started doing that, and this is like the perfect pattern of the lunar South Pole. And this pattern used to show everywhere, and it still does show everywhere over the Earth. It just doesn't show it as well as this any longer. They don't show it this well. But I have seen this crater here absolutely perfect in the weather many times before they started changing the weather format to hide it. And I know I'm just a conspiracy theorist. They hide. I'm just thinking that everybody's hiding everything, right? Well, they are. So I don't want to make this much longer or any longer. Just that's it. I'm going to leave this link in every comment that I make, or every time someone leaves a comment saying I'm a fucking idiot, I'm going to leave this link, and you can tell me, and you can check yourself, and you can do this all day long, and you can come back and I can prove it to you again and again. I can show you more, but this is like, I don't need to show you any more than that. I shouldn't. Why do they lie about it? I don't know. Maybe it's the gold on the moon or the gold on the Earth. There's something on the Earth that they don't want you to find by knowing the true size of the moon and knowing that it hits the Earth. They don't want you to know that. They do not want you to know that because they want the fucking gold or the oil or whatever it is. They just don't want you to know. So, I mean, believe NASA if you want. These images are from NASA and NOAA, both of them. So, you tell me why that's like that. If it's not from the moon hitting the Earth, or from the moon shaping our weather, at least from space, then what is it? Coincidence? Every day? I don't think so.